Hi there, thanks for coming back to the channel. The title for today's video is What is B2B Digital Marketing? Keep watching and I'll give you my thoughts after the break. Hi there, before we get into today's topic, if you haven't subscribed already, for those of you who are new to the channel, my name is Mike Pitt and I run a company called Marketing Fundamentals Limited. We're a content marketing agency and our clients are B2B businesses. Today's question, what is B2B digital marketing? B2B digital marketing is an umbrella term that incorporates a lot of marketing activities, some of which I'll mention now: content marketing, social media marketing, search engine optimization, pay-per-click, PPC advertising, email marketing, and virtual events. All of those are digital marketing activities. Now, companies will put together a plan, a strategy to achieve their objectives. Usually objectives will focus on increasing the number of leads, increasing the number of prospects that into a sales funnel. You can see now a picture of a sales funnel, and then squeezing those leads into prospects which become clients at the bottom of the sales funnel. So you're generating new leads that become clients, and you use digital marketing activities, those ones that I've mentioned, to achieve those objectives. Now let's make some differentiation between those. Content marketing is that sort of activity where you create value-added content. So that might be blog posts, it might be videos like this one, it might be audio books, it might be ebooks, it might be podcast episodes, it might be, those are the principal pieces of content that you'll create. When you deliver those to your prospects via social media platforms, so that might be LinkedIn, that might be Twitter, YouTube, then your prospects engage with the content. They're not looking for you in particular, they're not looking for my company in particular or me, they're looking for the answer to a particular problem they're facing. They find a piece of content that addresses that issue, that problem that they're having. They read with the content and they learn, so the content has educated them, and then they feel more predisposed to do business with the people that created that content. And that's how content marketing works. And it's the benefit of that is when you generate leads from content, it's organic. Those leads are coming organically, i.e. as a result of your content, without you artificially getting clicks, as you might have to do if you use pay-per-click advertising on sort of Facebook, Google, etc. That in those scenarios, you're paying for the click, and the connection between yourself and the prospect is not as strong as when they found you through search as a result of the content that you created. So that's content marketing. Social media marketing are the platforms that you use to distribute your content, and SEO is search engine optimization. That's using the right keywords, long tail keywords and short keywords, to tag your content so that people searching either on Google or one of the other search engines or via YouTube will find your piece of content, and then will be able to read it, learn from it, be educated about a particular problem, and then put your company in consideration for some work in the future. Pay-per-click is very much as the name suggests. You are paying to get the attention of your prospects and leads, and this can work on a number of platforms, but there is a very finite number of impressions and attention that you can get based on the amount of budget you have. So if you have $10,000 worth of budget to spend on pay-per-click, once you've used that up on Facebook, Google, etc., you will no longer be able to drive any attention via pay-per-click, and you will not get any more leads coming that way. Whereas the beauty of content marketing is leads can come and work, and your content can work for you 24/7, 365, because you create an evergreen piece of content, and that's always working for you as a marketing promotional tactic and generating leads for you. Whereas pay-per-click, when your money's gone, your leads will be gone because you can no longer buy the attention. There's also email marketing, and there are a lot of figures within the industry to suggest that email marketing is the most effective form of marketing to prospects and leads in the B2B sector. And that obviously presupposes that you have an email address for your prospect. So they're normally already within a couple of levels down in the notional sales funnel if you have their email address, and then you can nurture the email contact, and that can become a lead, and they can decide in your favor for prospects and business in the future. And then there's virtual events. We've come through and we're still in the last phases, if I want to describe it that way, of the global pandemic. And so a lot of those events that used to be in person became virtual. Virtual events is another way of marketing your company's products and services, delivering value through the event, and then prospects and leads can find you, your company, your expertise, and come to you that way. So those are the principal activities of B2B digital marketing. My company focuses on content marketing, so we use those pieces of value-added content, educational content on behalf of our own company, but also for our clients' companies. We create that in written posts and video posts, and then we deliver it. And in that way, we generate leads and prospects through content marketing. There are some areas, I want to give you the full sort of gamut of traditional marketing that's not digital. So traditional marketing or traditional activities that are not digital are things like the old-fashioned newspaper ads or leafleting through doors in local areas. Also, posters that appear on the street or near train stations. Those are all old-fashioned traditional. They're actually advertising methods that are part of old school marketing, if you like, as opposed to the digital marketing that I've focused on in this video. So I hope this explanation, this overview of B2B digital marketing has been very useful to you. If you found it useful and you've liked this video, please give me a like. Click on one or two thumbnails to watch another video from me. I look forward to speaking to you next time. And if you have any questions, obviously contact me via the email address. And if you'd like me to discuss setting up a Zoom consultation, we can discuss that as well. Use the same email address, or retainer services, training services, all of those. Please use the email address to start a discussion about that. Thanks for watching. I look forward to speaking to you next time. Thanks. Bye-bye.